Hi you guys, and welcome back to the video. Today I'm making one of our most popular all-natural soy wax sachets. Let's pour some wax in the molds. Before I do that, I heat each mold with a heat gun and then pour in the wax. I'm using all-natural soy wax here and using 2 different types of scents. This customer requested some fresh spring scents for this order, so I'm using something fresh with flowers and some peach blossom as well. And they both smell amazing. I wish you can smell it through the screen. There are 2 different shapes I use as well. In the flowers shape, I add some blue flowers, who are somehow very hard to see on this video. And I also add some green leaves as well. I repeat that on every single mold. On the circle mold, I add some dry flowers, some large ones on the side, and small ones around, which makes it so cute. Once they are dry enough, we'd usually take between 2 to 4 hours, just to make sure they will not break when I will remove them. Then I'll remove all the molds very carefully. And look at them, they are so cute, and they will last like forever. This took me like a week to make, since we don't have a lot of molds. This customer ordered over 300 pieces, which we were so happy and grateful to make. They all turn out amazing, and the customer were so happy. I can't wait to make some more. They are truly so relaxing to make, and I love making candles.
Golden light begins to glow. Wax is melting, softly flow. In the quiet, time is slow. In the quiet, time is slow.
Don't forget to follow us for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.